Fight! Finish him! Fatality! CBG wins!
Welcome in! I am the Crypto Bull God, and this is my official return back to YouTube. I hope to see you on Thursday, January 18th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where not only am I announcing my return to my daily live stream all in the charts, gotta click that bell icon for all notifications to know when I go live, but I'm also looking to provide you with two specific sets of information. You know, I always talk about taking calculated risks in the market. I'm about to take a calculated risk. I'm about to make myself very vulnerable. I believe in life that it presents you with opportunities to be vulnerable. And if you take those opportunities to be vulnerable, you can really help other people. And that is a passion that I have. The first thing I am hoping to accomplish is to provide education. I had a cancer diagnosis in 2023. I had a really good team of doctors, and I did a lot of self-education. I'm hoping to take all that information, share it with you. God forbid yourself or someone you know goes through something very similar. The second thing I'm looking to accomplish is to provide you with motivation and inspiration. 2023 was the absolute most difficult year of my life. Even going into 24. There are still challenges. But I'm here to tell you that no matter what adversity you're confronted with, you always have a choice. You can make it out the other side stronger if you choose to, no matter how bleak things look. And they looked pretty rough last year for me. But I'm making it out the other side stronger, and so can you. And I'm here to provide you with that motivation and inspiration. Join me on Thursday, January 18th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you click that bell icon for all notifications to know when I go live, you can't miss the live stream. So I hope to see you there.